The Bundt cake is the beauty queen of the simple cake pageant. When there's no thick frosting to hide under, the pan you use makes all the difference. And Adam's here to show us the best of the Bundts.
The Bundt to beat, you might even say, Juliette. You're right. You know, these cakes sometimes get a dusting of confectioner sugar. They might get a little glaze. Very often they're served au naturel, like these two. So there's no hiding imperfection. We gathered this lineup of Bundt pans. There are 7 of them. The price range is $8.79 to $30.99. They are made either of aluminum or steel. They all have a non-stick coating because if your Bundt sticks in the pan when you're turning it out, you are kaput. Forget about it. And you know, you probably know this already, but the reason they have this center stack right there is that it draws air up through the middle of the cake, which helps with even cooking. It also helps with a stable structure, because a lot of Bundt batters are a little bit on the heavy side. The testers used the Test Kitchen's classic yellow Bundt cake, and they were judging these cakes on appearance, both browning and the definition of the ridges and valleys and peaks. They were judging release and they were judging ease of use. The good news is that regardless of the material, all of these pans actually baked really nice Bundt cakes. The browning was right where people wanted it to be. It was a little bit darker in the pans that have a darker finish because, of course, those absorb more heat in the oven. But still, we like the look of a slightly darker crust. We also like the flavor. They were all right within that sweet spot. And all of the pans turned out cakes without an issue. Now, it came down then to the appearance of the ridges. Take a look at this guy right there.
It's kind of sad.
It is a little sad. That one came out of this pan here, and you can see the ridges are rounded, they're shallow, they just don't make a very tall, impressive looking cake. Look at this baby here now.
Winner, beauty queen.
That is a beautiful Bundt cake, and that came out of this pan, which has really distinct peaks and valleys and ridges. That's what you're looking for. This pan also has handles, which made it easier in terms of pulling the hot pan out of the oven or turning the cake out. So this is our winning Bundt pan. This is the Nordic Ware Anniversary Bundt pan. It's $30.99. It makes cakes that look like that. You couldn't ask for anything more. This is the Bundt to beat.
So if you want your Bundt cake to be a beauty pageant winner, use the Nordic Ware Anniversary Bundt pan, which costs $30.99. Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.